Welcome, fellow adventurers. Top 15 unique exploration activities in Thailand that will leave you with unforgettable memories. Activity 1. Northern Thailand Hill Tribe Trek. First up, we have a thrilling hill tribe trek in northern Thailand. Venture into remote villages, meet diverse indigenous communities, and immerse yourself in their ancient customs and way of life. For families seeking cultural experiences, for couples looking for an adventurous escape, for children interested in learning about different cultures, for an educational insight into northern Thailand's ethnic diversity. Activity 2. KRABI Hot Springs and Emerald Pool Adventure. Discover nature's wonders in KRABI. Take a rejuvenating dip in the mineral-rich hot springs, and then dive into the stunning emerald pool surrounded by lush rainforest. It's a double dose of relaxation and natural beauty. For families seeking a relaxing and refreshing outing, for couples looking for a romantic nature retreat, for children fascinated by natural phenomena, for learning about KRABI's unique geothermal attractions. Activity 3. PHUKET Elephant Sanctuary Experience. Get up close and personal with gentle giants at the PHUKET Elephant Sanctuary. Experience ethical elephant encounters in a natural environment, promoting responsible tourism and wildlife conservation. For families seeking ethical animal encounters, for couples who care about wildlife conservation, for children who love elephants, for an educational insight into Thailand's efforts in elephant welfare. Activity 4. LOEI KRATHONG Festival in Chiang Mai. Experience the enchanting LOEI KRATHONG Festival in Chiang Mai, where the sky illuminates with lanterns and the rivers are adorned with floating krathongs. Join in the festivities and witness the magic of this cultural celebration. For families looking to experience Thai festivals, for couples seeking a romantic and cultural celebration, for children captivated by the lanterns, for learning about Thai traditions and customs. Activity 5. Scuba Diving in Koh Tao. Dive into the underwater paradise of Koh Tao, a diver's dream destination. Explore vibrant coral reefs, swim alongside marine life, and earn your scuba diving certification with expert instructors. For families seeking underwater adventures, for couples looking for a unique diving experience, for children interested in marine life, for learning about Thailand's renowned dive sites. Activity 6. Ayutthaya Historical Park Bicycle Tour. Step back in time with a guided bicycle tour through Ayutthaya Historical Park. Discover the ancient ruins, temples, and pagodas that reveal the glorious past of Thailand's former capital city. For families interested in historical sites, for couples seeking a romantic and cultural journey, for children intrigued by ancient architecture, for educational insights into Thailand's historical heritage. Activity 7. Khaosok National Park Jungle Safari. Embark on a jungle safari adventure in Khaosok National Park, one of the oldest rainforests in the world. Experience the wonders of nature, go on a long-tail boat ride, and stay overnight in a floating bungalow on Lan Lake. For families seeking a nature-filled adventure, for couples who love wildlife encounters, for children fascinated by jungle exploration, for learning about Thailand's rainforest ecosystems. Activity 8. White Temple, Wat Rong Khun. Visit in Chiang Rai. Indulge in the surreal beauty of the White Temple in Chiang Rai. Marvel at the unconventional and visually stunning contemporary temple, adorned with intricate white carvings and mirrors. For families seeking artistic and cultural wonders, for couples looking for a unique and romantic setting, for children fascinated by the temple's design, for learning about the temple's unique architecture. Activity 9. SURIN Elephant Roundup Festival. Witness the Grand SURIN Elephant Roundup Festival, a majestic event featuring elephant shows, cultural performances, and a captivating elephant parade in SURIN Province. Join in the festivities and celebrate Thailand's historic connection with elephants. For families looking to experience traditional festivals, for couples seeking a cultural extravaganza, for children captivated by the elephant performances, for learning about Thailand's historical significance of elephants. Activity 10. MAEKLONG Railway Market Exploration. Experience the fascinating MAEKLONG Railway Market, where vendors set up their stalls along an active railway track. Watch the thrilling spectacle as they quickly pack up their goods to make way for passing trains. It's a mesmerizing display of precision and timing. For families seeking unique market experiences, for couples who enjoy unusual sights, for children amazed by the market's operation, for learning about this one-of-a-kind market. Activity 11. Muay Thai Training Camp Experience. Immerse yourself in Thailand's national sport with a Muay Thai training camp experience. Learn the art of Thai boxing, gain self-discipline, and understand the rich cultural significance of this ancient martial art. It's an opportunity to connect with the country's fighting spirit. For families seeking active and cultural experiences, for couples looking for a fitness-oriented vacation, for children interested in martial arts, for learning about Thailand's martial heritage. Activity 12. PHUKET Ghost Festival in LOEI. Experience the colorful and quirky PHUKET Festival in LOEI, where locals wear ghostly masks and parade through the streets to celebrate their ancestors. Join in the festivities, including music, dance, and unique traditions. It's a cultural celebration like no other. For families looking to experience traditional festivals, for couples seeking a cultural and offbeat celebration, for children intrigued by the ghostly masks, for learning about Thailand's vibrant cultural festivals. Activity 13. Lampang Horse Carriage Tour. Discover the charm of Lampang, the city of horse carriages, with a delightful horse-drawn carriage tour. Experience a leisurely ride through the city's historic streets, adorned with traditional wooden houses and temples. It's a nostalgic journey back in time. For families seeking a relaxing outing, for couples looking for a romantic and vintage experience, for children fascinated by horse carriages, for learning about Lampang's unique cultural heritage. Activity 14. KHON Thai Masked Dance Performance. Witness the captivating KHON, a traditional Thai masked dance performance that tells ancient mythical stories. Experience the intricate choreography, elaborate costumes, and expressive masks at a local theater. It's an artistic showcase of Thailand's cultural heritage. For families seeking cultural entertainment, for couples interested in Thailand's performing arts, for children fascinated by the colorful masks, for learning about the significance of KHON in Thai culture. Activity 15. Railaybeach Rock Climbing Adventure. For adrenaline junkies, it's time to challenge yourself with a rock climbing adventure in Railaybeach. Ascend the stunning limestone cliffs, guided by experienced climbers, and enjoy breathtaking views from the top. It's a thrilling and scenic experience. For families seeking an adventurous bonding experience, for couples looking for an adrenaline-pumping date, for children with a taste for excitement, for learning about rock climbing in one of Thailand's scenic spots. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. Until next time, keep exploring and keep discovering the wonders of Thailand.